SMG. What the fuck?
Alright, just hold. So we're gonna engage in this guy, okay, in GG or in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my glump. Come back. Ready defensive. Defensive. Walk in. Brawl them. Walk in.
Knock him down, bro.
Brawl them. To the choke. Come pass through. Okay, come back. Come back. They're
I look
looking.
in.
Come back. Just hold the outpost. Hold the outpost. Okay. In the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge clump, man. Delete. Huge clump. Come back. Come back. Just hold. Heal in the choke. Using doubles inside of us, man. Using doubles. Just hold this. Just hold. Using doubles in this guy, man. In 7NN. Using doubles. Punish them. Punish them. Just hold. We're gonna look shallow, okay? Shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. On me. Come back fast. Come back fast.
Looking on top.
Yeah, go out. Walk in. Brawl them. Walk in. Brawl them. Heels in the front. Walk in. Brawl them. Brawl. Dropping Judy. Brawl. You have 5 seconds, okay? Look north. 5 seconds in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. On me. Delete. Come north. North side. Follow the crown. North side. Heels. North side. Kite north side. Kite north. Defensive. Kite north. Just keep kiting north. Keep kiting north. Follow me. Kiting north. Keep kiting north. Kite northwest. We're gonna
I look in.
defensive. We're gonna engage west side inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my clump. Delete. Kite northwest. Kite west. Follow me west side. Dropping Judy. Heal schizo. Come back. West. Heels in the west.
Click, looking.
Defense. Yeah, just get out, man. Get out. Save yourself. Get out. We don't have healer.